Welcome to the Silver River Chairs channel. Talking about Windsor chairs again, and this one's just bonus since we're looking at the bottom of the chair. This is identifiable as a hand-twisted natural rush. The fibers underneath and the cutoffs here. Anyway, but what we're really talking about today is the removal of the back so that we can do this weaving again. There are plugs here that, fingers crossed, are covering up screws and not dowels. There's only one way to find out. So start with a small drill bit. All right. And you can kind of feel it go through. So it's a okay, and then get to a little larger drill bit. And usually at that point, you can start to use a chisel. I don't know if you can see that there's a space in between where this cap fill is, and usually you can start to break the plug out. And if it's not breaking out easy-ish, you can keep increasing the size of your drill bits. And I'm just going to do this carefully. Aha. And that's what's brilliant, is what usually happens is that the glue joint starts to crack and then the whole plug kind of comes out.